Hi everyone, David here. Hi everyone, David here. So today I will be sharing about 3D illusion using simple white bars. This is the burger video that we are talking about. So by simply using two white bars, you can create the illusion that the burger is coming out of the screen. Offset is our sister company. It's a video production agency where we specialize in 2D and 3D animation, especially for social media content. At Offset, we also use a lot of the concept of white bar. I'm just going to share just a few examples so they can get a glimpse of what brands are doing outside. This is for McDonald's. So we use a white bar and having the crumbs flying across the white bar gives the illusion that the crumbs is flying towards you. This is for Pringles. So it looks like it's jumping out of the screen or out of the background towards the foreground. This is for Garnier, where we play with a split screen. And lastly, Tiger Beer. So back to our burger. Let me break it down how this works so you can exactly understand the whole concept behind. So there's actually only two factors that you need to consider that contributes to the illusion. The two white bar, and you need to take note of the position of each layer and to play with the variation of speed between the foreground and the background. So by achieving this, you can get the effect straight away. Yep, so this is the breakdown. So all I use is a main hero image, which is going to be the foreground, my burger image, and a background image, which I thought that it would be interesting if I have a hand that's trying to grab the burger from the back. And of course, two white bars. So the two white bars, you can just simply use shapes within Orfeo itself, layer it like this. The burger is going to be the foreground, which is at the top of the layers. The white bar is going to be the middle. And then the background is going to be placed at the bottom to serve as a background. So in terms of animation, you just need to apply emphasis animation, slow zoom in. So for the burger, you would like to have a faster animation. So in this example, I use 370%. For the white bar, you don't need to have any animation. So for the background, I choose the same slow zoom in at a much slower pace. Let me now get over to the Orfeo platform and I can show you how is it done. Okay, I've uploaded my images beforehand, so I'll just show it over here. So first, this is the background. Let's place it at the back and make sure that it's aligned. Make sure that it is fit to the whole screen. So now I'll place my burger in front. Like this, and perhaps just rotate a little bit just so that it will be more interesting. Okay, so next we will have to include our two white bars. Simply go to graphics, shapes, and choose the square one. Change the color to make it white. Great, and for the stroke size, I don't need a stroke, so I can just put it to 0. Okay, next I will just place it at the top. Duplicate, put it at the bottom, and right, I am 90% done. Because the background is a lot more desaturated, let's change it to be, let's make it similar. Okay, so for my burger, I will go to the emphasis animation and choose slow zoom in at a speed of 370%, which is going to be faster. And for the background, slow zoom in at 60%. Let's preview. complete the video, we can consider adding a smoke effect. You can find under effects, rising smoke, and I think something like this will be good. Okay. Place it across my burger. Go to adjust and change the blend mode to screen. And we are done. Very simple effect, but you can achieve it in minutes. So bear in mind that you can also use the remove background function. So let's say I find a burger image in my stock photo. Okay, let's choose the first one. And I can remove background immediately. Just take note that this is only available for premium users. So if you are a free user, you will have to find other means to remove background, or you can go to remove.bg to remove the background before importing in. The free version will be very low resolution, so please take note of that. I hope this gives you an idea of how easy is it to create an illusion like that. Following this, I'm going to show you a few other examples of how you can achieve other forms of illusion using white bars. Here's an example that you can experiment. So the white bar doesn't have to be top and bottom. You can put it in the middle. It helps to give the illusion for your foreground image as well. So in this example, I didn't use zoom in, but I used rotate instead. Oh, I just realized it is rotating at the wrong direction. When the wind blows this way, it should move the other. Okay. So here's another example. So you just need to vary the speed of the emphasis animation. In this example, we use slide towards the left. I have a foreground image, a fence like this. The midground is the elephant, and the background image is the scenery behind. To simulate looking through a car, I have the overlay to be shaking. And for the foreground, I have set my fence to be 1000% speed, which is the fastest. My elephant to be 400% speed, and my background to be 200% speed, which is the slowest among all the three layers. So with that, it gives an illusion of depth. So in summary, you just need to find suitable images. Think of the ideas or concept you want behind your video. And after that, you can just remove background within Orfeo itself, play with the white bars, and vary your speed of animation for your foreground, midground, and background if you have. So now it's your turn. What ideas do you have? Get creative and share with everyone your ideas. This is a good opportunity for us to learn from each other and also to see how we can push the boundary of trying to achieve a three-dimensional effect for a photo. That's all for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that really quick tutorial, and I will see you in the community.